I wonder who wrote the book of love? Tell me, who wrote the book of love?
Today we're going to talk about choose love, and we're going to talk about the last component. But first I want to review all the other components.
Before I started learning Choose Love, I didn't really pay attention to those feelings.
I want you to think about either how that character showed compassion. What does it mean to have courage?
I think that courage has changed for me because instead of the knight in shining armor, I think that courage is more about helping other people, not just for yourself.
Now that I know how to be courageous, I go up and speak in front of my class with no issues because I used to have a lot of trouble speaking up.
Choose Love has definitely made it easier to go to school.
At the beginning of the year, the anxiety level was definitely, for me, at a 10. After Choose Love, I feel like for me, the anxiety level was a lot lower and probably more at a 3.
Raise your hand if Choose Love is your favorite subject. Whose grades got better because Choose Love?
I do use Choose Love at home because I feel like the hardest thing to do is to be civil with your siblings.
The message that my daughter gave to me about compassion, forgiveness, love, and how people belong just made me a better police officer, a better parent.
Ever since I've learned Choose Love, sometimes have fights at home, and then we just forgive each other and just move on.
From bullying to drug abuse to suicide, all of these truly terrifying problems that we are anticipating as parents, all of that, I believe, could be just proactively
mellowed out,
disappeared,
calm down,
calm down as a result
out the door.
of yeah.
I think it definitely helps me feel safer in school.
Show me the forgiveness tree.
Leaves in here, some don't have words on it.
Can you point to your forgiving fingers?
There's a heart in the middle. And here's our forgiving fingers.
I truly believe in my heart, and as a police officer, okay, if these other schools and the other students open their hearts and mind to what the message Scarlett's sending.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Until my anger dies. Until my anger dies.
That person had a program that Scarlett is set up for these kids right now, that day never would have happened.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I'm still mad, I'll count again.
I feel safer because I don't think these people that I've learned Choose Love with would ever do something like that.
Who wrote the book of love?
Doing all these great things like gratitude, it's mind-blowing.
Need to be taught and can be learned even by the elderly.
Yes.
I think I'll remember it forever. Choose Love is really amazing.
Who wrote the book of love?